I got the Arrma Limitless out here. This is my 172 car. So it's connected, track, start. See if I can get a decent pass off. Get past that 172 mark. Alright, staring down. I look clear back this way. These damn bugs. Let's see if I can get a good pass off here. Alright, here I come. Oh, I got it back. That was a little rough right there. Alright, let's see what it did. See if I got past that 172, see if I made my list. I need 174 to make my list, or better. So let's see, let's hit stop. What we did. 171. 171, damn it. Alright. So I gotta go work on that. Try to get some more miles. I'm down 1 mile. But I guess I'll post a video, you know. It was still a good pass. But 171. You know. It was rough getting it back though. But this Arrma Limitless 171. Didn't get where I wanted to, but I'm gonna still work on it. Make a few changes, see what I can do to get it up there where I want it. So I'm gonna thank everybody for watching. Let me see. I got the SRD V2s on there. Just a console motor. It ain't nothing special in the car. You know, so, but thank everybody for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm still trying to work on getting myself on my own little list of the top 10 fastest single motor limitlesses. You know, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on the video so y'all don't miss the journey. I'm out.